We're Ryan and Misty, and we've spent the past few months converting this big white van into a tiny home on wheels. With little to no woodworking skills at hand, we're pretty pumped about the way everything is turning out, taking it from this to this. With only 2 big projects left, we're looking forward to finishing this thing up. We're getting close, we just have to keep plowing ahead. So sit back, grab a beer, and enjoy the show. Good morning, guys. We are so close to being done with this van, it's ridiculous. I can feel it. I can smell it. I can taste it in my shitty beard. We're so close. We recently went on a camping trip this past weekend. It was awesome, super relaxing, but it reinforced one thought about any type of travel vehicle that is very important. One simple necessity: storage. We need a lot more storage. So today I'm building some upper cabinets right here. It was always the plan from the beginning. I'm really happy we went on this trip, so it reinforced our thoughts. But like anything else on this van, I have not a single idea what I'm doing. Here we go. Right. Well, I say I have no clue what I'm doing, but I have a general idea. That's because I sort of stole this idea from another couple that's building a van, Eamon and Bec. And the idea is this 2x2 drilled in from the top. I'm gonna have this 1/4-inch lauan or underlayment, however you want to say it, drilled into the top of this board, and then it'll be drilled in to the bottom of here, all the way across. Then, you know, I'll put my doors on and everything. Once you batten down everything, it should be light and strong enough for the crap that we're gonna have in it, like clothes. So, yeah, general idea plus bullshitting equals me. Back to work.
Got me feeling good.
Why do yourself what they will do for free?
Happiness is here at last. Let me tell you how it happened. Some took over me. Got my hands and feet. Couldn't stay in my seat. Now I clearly see. So good. How good. So good. How good. Really, really, really good. So good. How good. So good. Really, really, really good.
All right, I figured I'd go ahead and install my little edges. Now, the trickiest part, figuring out all these weird little angles for my end pieces and my divider pieces. I don't know how I'm gonna do that. Shit.
The monster started to shiver.
Good enough. This shit took entirely too long to figure it out. I mean, that's about how much I tried to figure it out. I'm obviously not a carpenter, but I got it done. The only problem is now it's about 5:30 at night and I gotta be at work at 3 in the morning. So I suppose that's where I gotta call it a day. I'll be back to it tomorrow. Yeah, that'll do. All right, so the main structure's built. Got the dividers. Now, work on my doors. Get some paint going. Let's get this shit done so I can stop sweating.
Over 1,000 times, okay, it's life.
right, we got everything painted, about 3 or 4 coats on it. Door's done, and the door hardware done. So let's get this baby in the van. This is the dumbest shit I've ever done. I need to get help. And like that, ladies and gents, we have cabinets. Believe it or not, these things only took 2 days to really build. I still have a couple more things to do. I need to do another little layer of paint down here, and I will eventually have to add some gas struts because they don't hold themselves up very well. But they're done. I'm happy with them. Misty's very happy with them. I think they look fantastic. But there's only one job we have left to do on this van before it's officially done to the original plan. And that's about how we plan on traveling with 2 indoor cats and the most spastic runaway dog you've ever seen in your life. But I think that's where I'm gonna end this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you had fun. I did. I am so ready to get out of this heat. It's insane. It's like 7:30 at night and I'm completely drenched still. This is ridiculous. I'm pretty sure the sun got closer. It's ridiculous. This heat is oppressive.
That's how it goes when the door closes, window open. That's how it goes.
Hey, if you want to see the actual step-by-step process I took in more detail, check the description below. Also, if you like this video, show me by hitting the like button. Subscribe for more content and to see me make more of an absolute fool of myself.